Hello everyone, go as far as you can see with you, and what I show you today, how to turn your windows into the same windows you have previously before. Right now when you click on your menu, you got this thingy pop up with all the menus and everything. I really hate all of that, and if you hate with me, let's go ahead and start doing it. So go to the search box right here at the bottom and type it in classic shell, classic shell .net. I will let you to wait a little bit until you get it and hit enter. Alright, the website will pop up. Go to this download button right here and download this classic shell to your computer. Remember, doing all this on your own risk. Windows will protect you from preventing installing this, but you keep installing. This file is legit and there's been legally used, so hit run and I will walk you through entire process. So after the operation start, click next, accept, next. Few other options you have to uncheck if you don't like. We're gonna take the updates off and we're going to uncheck the Windows Explorer. I'm sorry, Classic Internet Explorer. Hit next. We'll create the startup menu and install. Just want to let you know, right after you install this, everything is ready to use. You'll notice it right now that your menu looks a little different than what I have before. So right now it looks like original PC here, as you remember. You have this in the past, so you can access easier all of your fancy stuff. Let's go to show you how to do this adjustments. Classic start menu settings. Click on it, and here you can play. Of course, you can back up your original stuff, but here's the classic style, classic 2-column style with the name on top, and this is another Windows 7 style classic. So you use which one you like more. I'm going to keep this one first one, but when you click on advanced button, it will show you more variations. You can keep buttons look like, let's see, classic button style number 1. Hit OK, and your start button has been changed right now. So if you don't like it, you can always go back and check this, hit OK, and use yours. You can put your image over here, image of your lovely pet, anything you want. That's it. That's basically what it is. Please look into description, like, subscribe, and I hope you like this video when I was created this easier menu from transformation, sort of, from Windows 10 to Windows 7. Very simple, everybody can do it. Thanks for watching.